Reaction Time Drop Test by Jordan Parker. The aspects of fitness that we will be testing is measuring reaction time by determining hand-eye quickness and attentiveness. The demographics are age 35 plus with a low fitness level and is an able body. The equipment you will need is a 1 meter ruler stick, a desk, a chair, and a printed chart to record your data. The venue of this test will take place in the Gary W. Harrison main gym. The administrator's responsibility is to first off describe and explain the test to the subject to make sure they know what they're being tested for. Following that, the administrator should ask the subject to get their dominant hand in a ready position. The ready position is the subject's dominant arm rested on the table with their wrist extended over the edge of the table with their hand in a pinching position. Following that, the administrator should hold the ruler vertical in the air between the subject's thumb and index finger, but not touching, aligned with the 0 mark of the ruler. From here, the administrator should ask the subject if they feel ready for the ruler to be dropped, and then, without warning, the ruler is dropped by the administrator. In response to the ruler being dropped, the subject should pinch their fingers together and try and react as quick as possible. Then, the administrator would record the distance in centimeters that the ruler fell above the finger. The subject's actions and expectations should be to pinch your fingers together in reacting to the stimulus. After the test is complete, all results will be recorded on a chart with all the subjects' names on them. Then an average will be calculated from the 2 trials performed. After the average of those 2 trials is calculated, you will refer back to a chart which compares the number of centimeters to the number of seconds the reaction time is. For calculating the seconds their reaction time is. Troubleshooting for the ruler drop test is very simple. You can perform this test standing if you don't have access to a chair or a desk. You can also perform it with a ruler stick rather than just a meter stick, and you can also manipulate it for lots of other disabilities and impairments if you need to.